The hardy Weddell seals have carved out their habitat in this stark wilderness where trees do not grow. These resilient creatures brave the depths of icy waters, relying on Earth's magnetic fields to navigate through dense ice in pursuit of air. Their survival instincts are remarkable. Yet, amidst this expansive, tranquil cold, what other enigmas await discovery? What secrets lie beyond the icy veil, waiting to be unveiled through footage beyond the ice wall? And now, in a stunning revelation, a drone flew over the ice wall of Antarctica and captured the most shocking footage ever.
Antarctica, a continent veiled in ice and solitude, hosts a diverse array of life that challenges its formidable exterior. Among its inhabitants, perhaps none are as captivating as the Weddell seals, affectionately dubbed the ocean's puppies for their charming appearance. Despite their seemingly simple demeanor, these seals are marvels of adaptation and survival, as numerous studies have unveiled. Weddell seals, sleek predators of the Antarctic seas, demonstrate extraordinary abilities in their quest for survival. They plunge more than 2,000 feet into the frigid depths, skillfully holding their breath for over an hour while hunting their prey. What sets them apart, however, is their adeptness at locating air holes in thick, unforgiving ice. This skill isn't merely for their own survival, it's crucial for securing meals in Antarctica's challenging environment. Scientific exploration supported by the National Science Foundation has uncovered groundbreaking insights into Weddell seals. Researchers have discovered that these seals possess an innate internal compass aligned with Earth's magnetic fields. This natural GPS system enables them to navigate with precision through their icy surroundings, underscoring their intelligence and resilience in adapting to Antarctica's extreme conditions. The newfound understanding of Weddell seals reshapes our perception of animal intelligence and resilience. It highlights that life can thrive even in the planet's most extreme environments. Antarctica, often perceived as a barren expanse of ice, teems with life and mysteries that rival any tropical rainforest or vibrant coral reef in their complexity and adaptation strategies. In the expansive Weddell Sea, scientists have made significant discoveries that further illuminate Antarctica's ecological richness. During explorations of its frigid waters, researchers encountered an extensive community of icefish, spanning an area equivalent to the size of Malta. This massive colony, estimated to harbor approximately 60 million individuals, offers unprecedented insights into the ecosystem dynamics. These icefish exhibit remarkable behaviors, constructing meticulously crafted nests that serve as vital sanctuaries against predators and Antarctic currents. Their dedication to safeguarding offspring is extraordinary, considering the severe challenges posed by the freezing Antarctic.
Waters adapted with clear blood and specialized anti-freeze proteins, these resilient fish defy the odds, surviving in temperatures lethal to most marine life forms. Beyond their biological marvels, the untouched marine ecosystem in the Weddell Sea underscores its critical importance for global biodiversity conservation efforts. Protecting and understanding this unique habitat is essential for developing effective strategies to safeguard Earth's last pristine marine environments. Antarctica's extremes nurture a diverse array of creatures, each finely tuned to endure its harsh and icy environment. From the unconventional body structures of Antarctic sea spiders to microscopic yet indomitable tardigrades, capable of surviving space's vacuum, these inhabitants embody resilience in their purest form. In the depths of Antarctic waters, giant sea sponges thrive in darkness, subsisting on meager food particles carried by sluggish underwater currents. Their ability to adapt and thrive amidst such sparse conditions showcases nature's incredible capacity for resilience and adaptation strategies honed over millennia. The colossal squid, an enigmatic giant of Antarctic waters, symbolizes the vast and unexplored realms awaiting discovery amidst this frozen wilderness. Emperor penguins reign as regal figures of the Antarctic realm. Towering and resilient, they orchestrate complex breeding rituals amidst the harshest Antarctic winters, exemplifying the fortitude necessary to thrive in Earth's most extreme environments. As day fades into dusk over the icy horizon, skilled hunters emerge, embodying the indomitable spirit that defines existence in the Antarctic seas. These hunters navigate the icy waters with finesse, capturing prey and navigating challenges that test their resilience and prowess in this harsh and unforgiving environment. Antarctica, with its stark beauty and hidden complexities, remains a frontier of discovery and wonder. Its inhabitants, from the Weddell seals to the resilient icefish and majestic emperor penguins, offer insights into adaptation, survival, and the interconnectedness of life in one of the world's most extreme and secluded continents. Each species thriving in Antarctica tells a tale of astonishing adaptation and survival, showcasing the resilience of life on our planet's most extreme and secluded continent. In a gripping discovery in 2023, an international team of researchers embarked on an expedition in Antarctica, uncovering a trove of 5 new meteorites. Among them was a colossal find, weighing in at 17 pounds, comparable to the size of a cantaloupe, marking it as one of the largest ever recorded on the continent. While its composition may seem ordinary, its immense size makes it a rare find indeed. Such large meteorites are exceedingly scarce, with fewer than 100 similar dimensions documented across Antarctica. These celestial fragments are invaluable, not just for their size, but for the profound insights they offer into the composition and history of celestial bodies beyond Earth. Antarctica's expansive white ice fields serve as ideal canvases for spotting these meteorites. The stark contrast between the ice's brilliance and the meteorites' dark hues makes them relatively easy to locate and study. This unique characteristic of Antarctica has transformed it into a local for collecting extraterrestrial materials, with each discovery contributing significantly to our comprehension of the universe beyond our planetary borders. However, Antarctica's significance extends far beyond its role as a repository for space debris. Its frigid, arid climate ensures exceptional preservation conditions for meteorites, transforming it into a veritable treasure trove for scientists. These extraterrestrial relics, encased in ice for millennia, offer vital clues about the history and composition of our solar system. Slowly but steadily, glaciers transport these meteorites to the surface, where eager researchers await each expedition in hopes of unearthing larger and more extraordinary specimens scattered across this frozen expanse. Leopard seals reign as the formidable hunters of the Antarctic seas, celebrated for their unparalleled speed and strength as apex predators. They command the icy waters, preying on fish, squid, and occasionally even other seals. They are the second largest seals in the Antarctic after the southern elephant seal, with adult males typically reaching lengths of 2.4 to 3.5 meters and weighing 200 to 600 kilograms, while females are slightly larger. These seals are known for their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies and distinctive spotted coats, which range from silver gray to black with dark spots and markings. Their long, muscular bodies and powerful jaws, equipped with long, sharp teeth, make them formidable hunters. Leopard seals are highly skilled and opportunistic predators, preying on a variety of marine species, including fish, squid, krill, and occasionally penguins and other seals. They use their sharp teeth and strong jaws to grasp and tear apart prey. They are known for their speed and agility in the water, capable of reaching speeds up to 37 kilometers per hour and leaping out of the water to catch birds or seals on ice floes. These seals are solitary animals for most of the year, typically only coming together during the breeding season. Females give birth to a single pup on floating ice floes, which they nurse for about 4 to 6 weeks before weaning. Leopard seals play a crucial role in the Antarctic marine ecosystem as top predators, helping to regulate populations of prey species and contributing to the overall balance of the food web. They are also important subjects of scientific study, providing insights into predator-prey dynamics, marine ecology, and the impacts of climate change on Antarctic wildlife. In recent years, researchers have been particularly interested in understanding how leopard seals are adapting to changing environmental conditions in the Antarctic, including shifts in sea ice dynamics and prey availability. Among Antarctica's predators also stands the colossal squid, renowned for possessing the largest eyes of any creature on Earth, each comparable in size to a dinner plate. These immense optical organs facilitate vision in the deep, murky Southern Ocean depths where the squid thrives. Scientists remain captivated by this colossal invertebrate, diligently studying its imposing stature and survival strategies. The colossal squid, measuring an impressive 46 feet in length, stands as a marvel of the ocean depths, with some speculating it may grow even larger. In contrast to its cousin, the giant squid, which has only suckered tentacles, the colossal squid's tentacles feature sharp hooks perfectly suited for capturing large prey, such as the Patagonian toothfish. Another distinguishing feature is its colossal beak, the largest of any squid species, designed to tear substantial chunks from its quarry. These attributes collectively cement its reputation as a formidable ambush predator. However, the most chilling aspect of the colossal squid lies in its preference for the abyssal depths, shunning the ocean's surface for habitats plunging up to 7,200 feet below. This strategic choice affords the colossal squid refuge from most threats, except its primary predator, the sperm whale. Curiously, battle scars on some sperm whales testify to their epic encounters with these deep-sea giants. Believed to be solitary hunters, colossal squids rely on stealth and surprise to secure their prey. Their preference for the profound depths and their rarity in human sightings have prompted specialized research missions aimed at unraveling the enigmatic lifestyle of this colossal creature.